Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla here again once more. Big up, respect, and the manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are right. You see it? Yeah, manners and respecting people. Just certain things I want to talk to you about in this video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video shows a female behaving aggressive towards another female. In my point of view, and based on certain words that have been used in the video, I got the understanding that one female did not want the other female to go to a certain yard. The word child had been used in the video more than one time, viewers and subscribers, so I want you to pay attention to the situation that I can see in this video. In a part of the video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person told a man who you can see in the video, don't put no bad word woman in front of your baby mother, along with other words. Now females, I would like you to tell me, what would you do if you ever find yourself in a position like this, where a female behave aggressive towards you? And I would like overall, all of you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about the situation that I can see and hear in this video. Please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
You go on, sir, already? Yeah. My girl, where you do take picture? Don't do them.
I don't have time for you.
Where you do? You can't take picture to you now. Hey girl, move from out here. Go away! Now come go around. Never do your sitting wicked.
May I talk on the phone?
You want your daughter? Take her and carry her, yeah. But don't come round there, okay?
No, come on.
So yes.
Don't come round there. Let's say you come out here and wait for blue.
No, come along, me tell you, shop and come and just there, and I sit and just come and call.
Where buy something then?
Round there, so.
You get them?
Yeah.
Wow.
More cheaper, that's how we go.
So we're here again. Nice Sunday morning.
Take her and act like you want to share with her. Yeah.
Spirit.
Act like you want to share.
So that means Carol can call up for Trishelle, Trishelle can. So that means so you can't call up him.
Come on, get him. I mean, I know what if you not do what the police them say, them are lock her.
The police didn't tell if you do something?
No, I'm not telling you. I'm belly must help me.
But you're free if you can't call up for your business still.
You don't know what we
You need to call up for him, Queenie. You need to humble yourself. You need to humble yourself, Queenie.
You Tanisha.
You can't stop. It no matter, Queenie. Is a child. Is a child. Is a child. She free. She free if you call up for your child.
Yo, listen, bro. That's why I'm a call.
Bro, may I ask you a question? Hello, bro, may I talk to you? Carol can't see her pitney.
No, we don't want her there.
Eh?
You missing pitney?
If she can't, hello, Queenie, may I ask you a question?
Don't come on here.
No, they ask her if she can't come see her child around there. May I ask you a question? Well, you need to talk to Queenie and she knows that she's free to come see her pitney.
You don't want her in her house. Don't tell her to come with me down.
She not Queenie? Hello, Queenie. I rang somebody and something over there.
Queenie.
Boom! Hello, boom! I am baby mother. Control the woman here. Don't put no woman in front of your baby mother. You hear me? I tell you. You hear me? I tell you. You respect your baby mother no matter what. Don't put no woman in front of your baby mother.
Wow. Hey, my people. Me hear somebody say Queenie in the video. May I tell you? Hey, may I tell you? Hey, may I tell you, my people? Them type of drama sitting there, me don't know. I can't bother them drama thing there, and them thing they just make things look a weird star. I'm not telling a lie. Just look a weird. Yes, I say, but got drama, but you know, they must know why what's the going. But at times for people live good. You know what I mean? Put differences aside and just live good. You know, the bugger fussing and fighting and hostile behavior and aggressive behavior and them things. I don't support those things. No, I don't support those things. You know, people for live good. So I say, live good. If I even for the child's sake. Live good. You know what I mean? Yeah, I tell you. Let me know what to think about that situation, people. I saw a video posted a lot of places on social media with words that are saying that gold had been found at a certain location. I questioned that video viewers and subscribers. And I questioned certain allegations that have been made on social media about the video. I even questioned how the video had been posted many times on social media with certain words pertaining to the video. Now, one person posted the video on Facebook with words that goes like this. Jamaican residents of Chester Castle, Hanover, found gold. Got the whole village digging further, and that looked like an emoji, and there are other words as well. See? I also got the understanding that another person posted the same video on Facebook with words that goes like this. Gold found in Hanover. Another person posted a piece of the same video on Facebook with some words that goes like this. They say they find gold in Hanover, along with other words, viewers and subscribers. Now, my people, I wonder if the video actually shows real gold. I wonder. But anyways, I'm not going to jump to any conclusion. Not until I get some form of confirmed information about the video and about certain allegations. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I would have liked to get some form of information after tests had been done to prove if gold had been found at a certain location pertaining to the video. You understand? But anyways, I'm going to present the video to you that I'm talking about, viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that this is not the only video that have been posted on social media pertaining to those allegations. You understand? Anyways, take a look at the video for yourself and tell me what you think. Observe.
In a picture there's a gold mine there. People say killer dig.
See it? Look at it for yourself.
Come and see for you. Come and see
Look and listen for yourself.
Alright, I package this real package. Fully gold. Oh, the body. Yo, no sir. Gold mine.
Gold mentioned in the video. Did you hear the word gold mentioned in the video, viewers and subscribers? Alright. So I want you to understand that I'm not the one saying these things. I don't want to give anyone no wrong information. And I also wonder if the video will be recorded in Jamaica. No, I'm being real with you. The thing is not, viewers and subscribers. Sometimes some metals can be mistaken for other metals because of how they look. But that don't mean them are the same. Same type of mistakes can happen when it comes down to precious stones. You understand me? So I did some more research to see if I can get some form of better understanding about the allegations and the video that I just presented to you. And I found a news article that contains at least one picture. Now, underneath the picture in that news article, there are words that says, as night fell on Sunday, residents of Comfort Castle in Hanover used flashlights to continue digging for what they believe to be traces of gold, despite the find being unconfirmed. You hear that? Unconfirmed. You understand? So, a part of the news article said scores of people have been descending on a property in Chester Castle, Hanover, after news began to swirl that deposits of what residents believed to be gold had been located while digging a pit. More words are there in that news article, viewers and subscribers. Now, my people, here's my question. Is it really gold? before I reach to a certain conclusion pertaining to that video and certain allegations that have been made on social media, I would like to get some form of confirmed proof. Like, for example, if some form of test had been done by an expert or a person who is certified when it comes on to identifying gold or precious metals and stones. You see what I say? Alright, that's one. Now, when it comes on to a situation where it is said that gold had been found at a certain location versus subscribers, I know that some people might start think about the government, no matter which country they are in. See? And but they even want to mention when we think some people would think when it comes on to government pertaining to certain precious metals and stones found at certain locations. You see what I say? But throughout history, it has proven that precious metals and stones discovered at certain locations worldwide cause people to lose their life. It causes some bad things to happen. Like, for example, this is an example. See, let's say that someone found gold at a certain location, and if the government and the police or the military don't pay any attention to the finding of the gold, then maybe criminals might want to move in and try to take claims of the land or where the gold had been found. You know, like moving with weapons and so forth, and that can cause people to get hurt or lose their life. And maybe people also fight with each other in order to get most of the precious metal and stone or whatsoever. You see me? Even oil can cause the same problem too. Yeah, I'm talking about oil, that black thick thing from the ground, oil. You see me, and some people? So if something like that should happen, then that most likely would force a government of a country to move in to try and resolve the situation, or police or law enforcers to move in order to save lives and try to solve the situation. So there are some people. So are them things that I think about when me see a certain video posted on social media with certain allegations versus subscribers. See? Yeah, so I have to say it like that because I don't have any confirmed information pertaining to certain things about that video. See? So if real gold had been found at a certain location pertaining to the video that is circulating certain places on social media, then I hope that this whole situation turn out in a good way for everybody within that area, even for the country too. You see me as some people? Notice me I try to talk generally because I don't have certain confirmed information. But you can let me know what you think about the things that I said. You see me as some people? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.